Welcome to RCFlyers.com. Last year we built a MIG144, and this is a prototype. This year I added some inlets, turbine inlets in the bottom, and we have not quite mid-mount. We're a bit far back, so I'm not sure. I'm going to play with this, see what happens. This is another glider test to see if it'll pass the gliding test. 1/2-inch foam, Owens Corning, with no airfoils, just trim down the leading edges. Canards a little bit higher, so you're getting that step. So let's see if we can get that across the driveway. Okay. It's just, I got a real bad grip on it, so we'll see what happens. Ooh. There's a lot of wind and a little bit of high alpha there. Probably because I used to have a steel nose, which is in the house, and now it's just plastic with no counterweight. So she's going to want to go
tail heavy.
Tail heavy. Yeah. I hate throwing it this way. Got nowhere to grab it. Let's try it this way. I'll try my 2 fingers in the prop slot and see if she's going to want to go up anyway. So this might be a disaster.
That one flew better.
You in on that?
Yeah. Well, I didn't, but I am now.
Well, it shows the potential of being a good part jet. Only foam, so if you throw it, I'm going to throw it against the wind. It'll probably hit something. Now I'm going to show you why that just happened. We've been talking about making some noses and protecting the noses of our jets. So I'm going to show you here. I didn't touch it. There's no damage at all whatsoever. These just pull off. They just pull off, and they just put it back on. And they make great noses. You can even adjust this a little bit and make it really, really high, you know. But man, does it ever cut through the wind? And everybody wants to know what they are. And like I said, this thing took a nosedive and stuck in the ground, and there's no damage to the plane. So basically, this is from the craft and hobby shop. They have these flower holders. You put the flower in there for arrangement, and you put it in foam. So I think you get like 10 for $3. Later, I'll take some out of my packages that are not. This was painted black because they come clear for the flower arrangement. So basically, I just put it on a holder. I paint it black, and then I put a couple of little strips of tape, so it so it just makes it a little tougher, a little stronger. And then you can pretty well throw this anywhere, and if you don't hit the wings, this thing will go pretty good.
And the nose fell off.
Yeah, but it's not glued on. You can just take it on and off. That's going to be a nice little video to put up on YouTube.
Ouch!
Let's have a look at that. Keep that rolling, and let's have a look at I'll show you what the damage is this time. That was a direct hit on cement. Nothing wrong with the plane. Here's what happens now. The plastic let go, because it is just tape like this. Okay? And because the nose stops here, this is the brunt that it took. Just a little bit of a bang, and you just tape this back up, or you make 5 or 6 of these and carry them with you. All right, RCFlyers.com. Come over to our site, rc-flyers.com. Right now, this will be posted on rcflyersteam.com on YouTube. So come and have a look, and if you have questions or whatever, we'll try to answer them. And we've got all these plans for you guys if you want. All right. So see you next time, or see you on the web at our website.